Hey guys, I'm wiring my big beautiful doll, and I'm totally stumped by the tailwheel retract. Um, I got the new FMS e-retracts installed on the main landing gear, and everything's working here. The inner fairing gear doors are working properly. I've got the 6-second sequencer, the newer FMS one I got from Motion RC. Anyway, I'm going to turn this on. I'll show you what I'm talking about because I'm totally perplexed. I've got channel 5B coming from the rear tail wheel into this Y splitter, and then the top of this easy connect wire going into that same Y splitter and going into this the top pins here on the sequencer. On the bottom, I've got the one for the the doors on the main wing. Anyway, I got everything else hooked up properly, like ailerons, flaps, and rudder, steering wheel steers. Okay, and now I'm gonna pull the retracts up, flip the switch. Doors go up, gears go in, tail wheel goes up. Okay, everything looked good. I disconnected these because I wanted to make sure that those are working properly before the main gear would bind on the inner fairing gear doors. But now I'm going to flip it down. Tail wheel went down, main gear goes down. The steering gear goes up and the tail wheel goes back up, and it needs to stay down. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. I've rewired this a number of times and it's continuing to do that. So that blinks solid. Sometimes it just comes in intermittent depending on how I start it up. But anyway, any ideas or suggestions are welcome because I'm totally stumped here. I'll do it once more. Gear goes up. That seems to work properly. Okay, and now gear down. Oops. Tail wheel went down. Gear doors go up, tail wheel goes up. What the hell? This is how I've got it wired. I've flipped these around too, and that doesn't work. Those are in the right way. I've got the negative on the negative side, white on the white. I've checked all that stuff. I don't know.